What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2009 Yamaha FZ6. We're going to take a quick walk around this thing so we can see it up close and personal. So let's just jump right into it. Starting back here in the back tire, got your got a lot of tread there. I mean, that tire looks like it's almost new. So a ton of tread left on there, a lot of miles left. Good to go for any kind of state inspection or anything like that. It is chain driven, so there's your rear sprocket and your chain. We'll see that a little bit later. It does have the Fender Eliminator kit and an aftermarket exhaust. So we've got your two turn signals here, got your license plate mount here, tail light here. It does have the looks like Delkevic exhaust there. Oh, it's from the UK. So there's that. Bike sounds really nice. Definitely a good addition there with that exhaust. Here on the side, you can see we got a little mark right there, my pointer finger. So make sure you see that. Of course, you have your passenger peg, your rider peg, and your rear brake. It does have the center stand, which is nice if you're going to park your bike in the winter. Pop it up on that center stand. There you can see the rear wheel and the rear brakes. Here on the side of the tank, we got some kind of like a cluster of little marks. Almost looks like it would have been from like a belt buckle or something, but not real deep, just like little tiny scuffs. Got a mark right here, and got one right there. Overall, it looks pretty nice. I mean, from a little bit of a distance, you can't quite see those marks, but they are there. I want to make sure I point them out. As you can see, there's your motor, all this stuff. So I get in here as best as I can. There you go. Spin it around a little bit. You can see the FZ6 badge there on the side. It looks like a scratch right there. That's actually part of this. There's like a decal there for that badge. I think of the word. Spin it around, you can see it from the front. See your headlights, got your turn signals down there. You got your windshield here. Of course, you can see the back of your mirrors there and there. There's your front fender. Front fender's in nice shape. I actually don't. There's some really light little marks here in the front fender that I want to point out, but they are hard to see. I'm looking for them, trying to point them out. Here's your front tire. Front tire looks about the same as the back. A lot of tread left on that one. There you can see that black front wheel. It does have the dual rotors up front. So here and on this side. And here you can see as much of the forks as you can. They look to be in good shape. Over to the other side. There you go. Spin it around so you can see that black wheel from this side. There's that. Jumping up here, you see got a little bit of the bug juice there in the front, didn't quite come off. Here's your FZ6 badge on this side. Again, show as much of this motor as I can. Should be able to see it. There is all that. There's your Yamaha badge on the side of the tank. This side of the tank doesn't quite have the marks that the other side does, which is nice. Just some very light little marks in here, but that's really about it. Of course, you have your rider peg, got your shifter, got the shift sock on there, got the passenger peg there. Of course, you have the kickstand. I point out the center stand from the other side. There you can see the chain going back to the rear sprocket. Of course, you have your chain guard on there. Keep spinning around. Jump up here on top. You can see this is all in nice shape, including the seat. You got your passenger seat. And you have your rider seat. This is a one-piece seat, so it all comes off together, but it's in nice shape, no rips or tears or anything. Let's see if I can show you all of that. There you go. So here on the tank, you got the tank protector. Come over the top, you get the fuel cap. Of course, you have your handlebars. This is a little bit more of an upright position. You can see the risers there, as opposed to the R6. So you get your clutch, controls, mirror up here, throttle, brake, mirror up here. Of course, you have your gauges in here. Let's turn this thing on. There you go, you can see 7,733 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this machine, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube. It will be a good way to see this thing out on the road. Let's fire this baby up. There is that. Let's make sure that these turn signals work. There's your turn signal on this side. Turn signal on this side. Just in case you were wondering, that looks like that light's out. That is the high beam. So there's that. Jump back in here and back. There's this side. And there is that side. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2009 Yamaha FZ6. It's got about 7,700 miles on it. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you watch the test drive video on YouTube and check out this bike at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.